Next topic we are going to see about the big stack architecture. Big stack architecture we can say as a layered architecture which collects, stores data, process analysis, and visualize a large of data to generate a meaningful insights. So big stack does stack mainly used when if we take the raw data from anywhere source like a network or real-time data sets. First we have to clean up the data set, and we have to maintain the storage where it is stored, or the clean of the how to clean the data set. Then only we can apply for the algorithms. We cannot directly apply to the algorithms. So for a short story we can explain about as a story. There are thousands of sensors used every day, by many sensors have been used throughout the world. So the many sensors like in day-to-day life, we have used this traffic signals, buses, hospitals, weather stations, shops. Every seconds a huge amount of data is generated. So in the city which is created by central control room to manage all this data to make a smart decisions like reducing a traffic jams, sending ambulance alerts, managing electricity, predicting rainfalls. So these are the very soon important messages which is created to manage all this data sets. We have used this big stack pattern. So data was coming from wherever, in different formats or any formats in huge volume. They need to store a system to collect a process. We have to store the data. After that we have to process the data and analysis. In GPS also they have added that traffic alert system. So for that alert, for that predicting system, we have to store the data. Then only the from historical data they can take the data. So this time it will be more crowd. That's why they are how that's why they have predicting for us. So this is the concept which is behind this big stack system. So what is big stack system? Means in big stack pattern, it is a structured way. Pattern is normally this represents as the pattern way. It's a structured way, and by organizing a big data technology in layer. So each layer performs a specific task, from collecting a data to analyze it. Think of it like a multi-layer cake where every layer has a purpose. So here this big stack that is mainly focused upon the three V's: big stack: volume, velocity, and variety. It's mainly suitable for the complex than compared to the traditional systems. So here this is the 6 layers of big stack architecture. One is in ingestion, processing, analysis, storing, analytic stores, and ostentations. So in layer 1 and 2, we have going to see about the data collection. I already said. So for first, the concept is data collecting. So the data collection is held, which is represents as the data ingestion layer. These tools were used for collect continuously. So example, Kafka and Flume. They act like a messengers to bring the data from one place to another. So these sensors are mainly used in roads, hospitals, and buses to send data to the control room. Next we are going to, in second layer we are going to see about the data storage. So here all collected data from layer 1, it is must stored safely. So the engineer created a huge digital warehouse that is called as the storage layer. So example, we can use Hadoop, that is a distributed file system, and cloud storage like a giant library storing books. So the third part is data preparation, that we have represents as the data processing. So now data is collected and data is stored here. So the now city wants to know which roads have heavy traffic. Though this concept is applied now in current GPS. So this so we have to know that which road have heavy traffic, which area needs more power. So the system process the data. It is called as the data processing layer. So for this example we can use Spark MapReduce. So next we are going to see about the fourth layer, that is batch processing, that is known as the data analysis. So this data analysis used for the system analysis process, and which creates a lot of data insights, and this is represents as the analytical data. And for example we can say machine learning and AI tools for data analysis. So here using AI, they will give a good results for the prediction. So here the data analysis, and third processing is analysis, and third is fifth one is visualization. So here the final result of the big screen, that is traffic heat maps, weather alerts, emergency notification, this is represents as the visualization layer. So this is also used in BI tools, live TV screens, shows, examples, dashboards, charts, stock markets, everywhere they can be used. So without this, what happened in the city is traffic was reduced, ambulance reached faster, electricity used improved, citizens received alert. So the city becomes smarter, more smarter, because data flowed through a well organized stack. So moral of the story, this is to collect the data, store the data, processing the data, analyzing using AI tools or any algorithms, and visualizing the result for make more enthusiastic layer. So here we have used this lambda architecture. So this lambda architecture designed to handle massive quantities of data. For that concept, it takes advantages of both streaming, both batch also at the same time streaming also. So this advantages is scalability, false tolerance, flexibility. So disadvantages is complexities. So next is we are going to see about the kappa architecture. So it is simplified streaming processing architecture, that which treats all the, these are the some of the different types of architecture we are going to see. This mainly used in the kappa architecture is mainly used in online stream. That architecture is mainly used in the historical data streams. So Meadowline architectures is collected the raw data, which organized and warehouse with progressive quality improvement. So next is conclusion. So Big Stake has 6 layers. So here lambda, kappa, medallions are the key architectures of the pattern. So data velocity, business needs, no one's, if they can be used. Thank you.